What is your jam? Makeup or skincare?
Never done before. You get to pick between the two when you get your purple bag. $99, still way over $300 valued. You get to pick the makeup or skincare. You also get lashes.
You also get lashes on both of them. So if you definitely want the lashes, it's in there.
You could totally grab the bag and run, but I want to tell you a couple things, just a few tidbits, really important tidbits, if you want to actually work the business, okay? You do not need to know what you're doing. You learn as you go, free training.
Free! Did you hear me? I said free.
Free training, okay? You get paid every 3 hours. Tres, trois.
3 hours. Tres, trois. Tres, trois, and 3. That's only 3 I know. I only know 3 languages. 3. You get paid 3 hours after every sale.
Even your first one, like you click the join button and you could get paid like immediately, okay? There is a mission behind the company. Mission first.
UniqueFoundation.org. Look it up, okay? Look it up. Share. TheUniqueFoundation.org.
Enough said. Enough said.
Family, friendship, a community, self-growth, personal development, financial freedom. Okay? Those are only a few things that I am so absolutely obsessed with. Besides the amazing lashes, okay? Amazing lashes. You get so much more, okay, in this amazing purple bag.
If I say amazing one more time, amazing.
All right, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can go on my website, jessicawoodyard.com, and click join and read up all on it. And then hit me up with a message and we can chat about what your options are and why you took so long on doing this.